fell in love. Check this out. I fell in love with the money, fell in love with the drugs. I fell in love with the loneliness, I need the hug. This life sucks. I don't wanna live in the bluff, this like nuts. I don't wanna live with the muck, but I'm speaking the facts. And if you're reading the sex, realize what I'm saying. And please relax and fucking obsessional traits. It's like I'm punching in the face. Hold up, bitch, I'm suspended by grace. My homie never just came and gave me the blaze. Haze, we smoked too many fucking blends last days, yeah. That is all I have to say. Don't be sorry, get hot, it's the kind of a day. I'll be glad Friday soon gon' fucking away. Only one thing more, we'll be wacky. I'm saying just figure out and find them. And they go back to your life and they sleep in the bed. I fell in love with the money, fell in love with the drugs. I fell in love with the loneliness, I need the hype. This life sucks, I don't wanna live with the fuck. This life nuts, I don't wanna live with the fox. Yeah, 369.
I fell in love.
Yeah,
369.
Oh, we're done. Yeah.
This is smash, called the trash. Checking LSD, I'm sipping the tap. Tell me I'm sexy, she's feeling my ass. Don't look like nasty, feeling me snap. I'm chilling now, don't know this up. Just smoke the weed, try to feel track. That's my day, loud in the hip hop. I don't know, I don't have a TikTok. My loneliness on top, my happiness is up. Listen my trip talk, everybody wants to rock and dry. I don't like the pussies rough and dry. I don't feel in the morning to breathe up. Just stand up and taking a paper. Too deep pulse gets like a shaker. That wash your face, look in the mirror. It's right at next. Whoa, let's keep on. My trip is not hippie. Give me the pipe and silence the war Ripley. I fell in love with the money, fell in love with the cash. Listen my music on another train. If you feeling something wrong, you smoke the ball. Are you still dumb? If you wanna get a better talk. And walking, and a walk.
369 in the building, yeah.
369.
Shout out to all the homies. Shout out to DJ Y. Shout out to Bone Thugs and Harmony from Cleveland, yeah. 369. Remember the name.
Check this out.
Yeah. Word up.
Let's go! Sally and Didi.